Greetings, salutations YouTube. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm taking these kids to school. I'm waiting for them to get their seatbelts on. So we're gonna drop them off at school, and then today is Dollar Thursday at the Goodwill, and I'm trying to get that like exercising, wiggling board thing for $1 at the Goodwill. It was still there yesterday evening when I went, so I'm hoping that it's still there today and that I can get it for $1.
Okay, let's go.
And we'll see what else we can find as well.
Bye.
Are you guys ready to go to school?
Yes.
Zach?
I love you too.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Bye, kids.
Bye. Okay.
Hey guys, okay, so I just dropped off the kids at school and now I'm in front of the Goodwill. There's literally 2 people sitting there already. They're like, can you see them? They're like sitting on their phones. It's 8:20. So yeah. I would be the 3rd person. I'm gonna go out there right now and just wait. That's how much I want that machine. I'm hoping that it's still there so that like my efforts aren't just like fruitless and I'm just like here waiting. But now I know to get here at least a good 40 minutes before, because people are already waiting outside and I want to be one of those people that gets inside real quick. But honestly, that like the machine was really the only thing that I had my eye on, so I'm really excited to be here so early and hopefully be able to get it. But yeah, so let's go wait. All right, you guys, I'm in the store. It's still here. Yes. Now I'm kind of looking through the shoes. I found these, but they can't find a matching pair. But they're a size 11. They're kind of huge, but they're $1. Originally 60, down to 40, down to 9 to $1. There's gonna be a bunch of dollar furniture, but I don't really like any of the ones that are gonna be $1. Like that little set over there is gonna be $1 too. Oh, why do they move this here? I'm on the hunt for green stuff now. These plates are actually really pretty. Too bad they're like $2 each. They have this like Victoria's Secret robe. It's actually cute. They also have this Forever 21 one. I think these are all $4.99 each. Look how pretty that is. They have this new Fila jacket. I just like it because it's super soft. $12.99 though, but it's like new. It still has tags on it. I'm kind of looking for dollar books. I found this Ethan Allen one, but looking through it, it's not really like my most favorite book. It has someone's business card in there. Yeah. Maybe no. See what else they have. Oh, this other stuff is like $1. Ooh, Food and Wine Annual Cookbook 2015. This looks pretty delicious. Ooh, Mom might actually enjoy this. Oh, Williams Sonoma pies and tarts. Yum. Oh, this looks good. You guys, I saw this print. Jonathan Adler, $3.99. I'm so excited. This is so cute. Stop. Is this another Jonathan Adler thing? This is like the second one I found. If you guys remember, I found one of these already and gave it to my dad. And it is. Oh my gosh. Who's donating all this Jonathan Adler? Look, it goes together. I'm so excited. You guys, I'm crying. Also, what's this? Bath & Body Vintage Pottery. What? This is kind of cute. How much is this? It has no price. It's cute though, but nah, it's okay. These are for sure though. Alright, I'm gonna get this stuff inside the car first, and then we're gonna come back for the exercise machine. Alright guys, so I'm at the house and I want to share with you guys what I ended up getting. So I did get the exercise board thing, and it does turn on. Unfortunately, it's missing the remote, so I'm trying to find one online, see if I can locate it, and hopefully we can get it to work. And then I did end up getting these 2 cookbooks from Food and Wine Annual Cookbook, Recipes of 2015, and Pies and Tarts from Williams Sonoma. They look so delicious. Honestly, it's these cover photos that got me. They look so yummy. And then I did end up getting this beautiful Ralph Lauren mug. So cute. I had to get it. I've been looking at it and eyeing it for a while, and it's just so pretty. I had to get it. And then this Jonathan Adler set. This little jar. You can probably use this for like Q-tips or something. That would be like the perfect size, or like cotton swabs or cotton balls or whatever. And then this Jonathan Adler tray, which is so cool because again, I actually found one of these. It's already sitting in Dad's side of the bathroom, so he loves it. And now I have another one. I think I actually want to use it. Maybe I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here in the kitchen. I kind of want to put this giant soap thing on it because this is like Mom's favorite thing. And I hate it. Like sometimes like the soap, if like someone's not paying attention, it goes on the countertop and then it like stains the counter. So I wanted something underneath it. Actually, let me see if this actually will fit. Oh, it fits perfectly. Okay. I kind of like this. So I think this is gonna work out. And that's the update for now. I gotta get some other work done right now and then go to the post office. We might head back to the Goodwill again, maybe, I'm not sure. I always like to see, because literally like things will be there like later on in the day when they bring stuff out in carts. So I don't know if I'm gonna go back. We'll see. If I'm definitely gonna go thrifting this weekend, and it's already Thursday today, so, and I'm probably gonna go to the Goodwill tomorrow, so I'm not like needing to really go since we already went this morning, and I found some really good stuff. So actually I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna package right now and then get some other work done and then go to the post office and then come back, and then I'm gonna list items for sale. And I know I've been really bad about it, and I know like some of you guys have been sending me like angry messages about it, and I'm so sorry. I promise I'm gonna get stuff up. It's just been so hectic at the house, and I just haven't really had any time. So I'm gonna definitely make time though, because I need to get more stuff up. Alright guys, I am with Mom. I have some mail that's going to the post office, and we're gonna go to the grocery store. And there's Mom right now. Ooh, Mom, like your jacket. Alright guys, we just got to Costco, and it's freezing. We're so cold. There's currently a sale going on at Costco, so Mom and I are very excited. They have my shampoo that's on sale. This is my favorite. And Colgate. Oh, Strivectin, younger looking eyes. I'm looking at the Costco furniture. I'm kind of liking this like little like vanity. This is nice. Marble, gray with silver. Ooh, this is fancy. Soft clothes, $800. Oh, look at that little house. Time out. Mom just found these really cute. What are these? Pajamas or? No, they're beach cover-ups.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a flamingo and a mermaid.
Good girl.
How cute. They have like lots of cute girl ones. They only have those for the boys. Oh, they have one. They have like a pirate. That one's the gray one's a pirate. Get the Kate and Eliza like sharks.
So this one is
That one can be for Zach, 5'6". Oh, I don't think they have a size. Oh, extra small for Eliza. And then Cade, 7 to 8? No, they have a size 9.
Yeah, they have size 10 to 12.
Look how cute these are.
Yeah.
Mom's dying for the girls' special occasion dresses for $20 each. They're cute. Look at that. Oh, this one's my favorite with the butterflies. What do you need, Mom?
Did you get the rice already?
Yeah, let's get the rice. Alright, we got some cooking oil, we got Diet Pepsi, and Mom is on the hunt. I think we need a lot of groceries because we haven't really gone grocery shopping in a while. You need spices? Oh yes. Ground Himalayan pink salt, essential. And that black pepper? Yes. I need some sugar. Why are these boxes like weird? Oh, heavy. This in here. think they're samples right there. Need to try some meatballs, yum. These planters are so pretty and they are so heavy. They're $40. I love the color though, they're so nice. You know, Mom, I'm looking for plants to put Mandarin. Ooh, yeah. You want that? The azaleas are pretty. I'm trying to find something cute to put by the in those giant planters that I thrifted and I spray painted them. But I don't really see anything catching my eye here at Costco today, so I think I'm gonna have to wait. Ooh, I need to go to the potting shed. We're in the meat section, just picking up some meats. We got some veggies as well. Yum. We're trying to decide what we're gonna make for dinner tonight, or what Mom's gonna make for dinner. But I'm helping, so I'm the sous chef. Ooh, Korean barbecue? Yum. Going into the dairy section. Alright, you guys, just got everything inside the car. Okay, guys, so we decided that we're gonna make tomato soup. So the tomatoes have been roasting already and they look so delicious. So we're already eating the soup. It's so good, and the bread. Guys, I'm just coming on to end the video right now. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast and I hope you guys did too. I'm so excited that we got all that good stuff at the Goodwill this morning, and I guess it pays to go really early, about 40 minutes early. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye! Alright, you guys, look at these. These are probably fake Yeezys, but they're still kind of cute. Size 9, and they are 30 bucks. Not bad. Inside this case, there's a couple more things too. They have Roger Venner. Oh, they have these Fendi's little wedges for 40.